Hello children, welcome to another class of computer lesson. So, we will continue this chapter. So, before that, let's do an exercise one. Because in our last class, we have learned about how to use looping statements. So, here there is a message to print even numbers 4 to 20. To print even numbers 4 to 20. So first is number 4. Next is number 6. Next 8. Then 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So these are the numbers we are going to print for the output. The question is to print even numbers from 4 to 20. Then let's see how would be the code. So first clear screen CLS. Then input, or here we use the for loop. So that the syntax of for loop is for variable then equal to start value to end value, then bracket step. Start value to end value, then there is a square bracket. Inside of that we can add step. So step means if we do not write step in the program, that means the value of variable that means the increment variable that is incremented by 1. If we do not write step, that means the counter value which is incremented by 1. Then if we add step with an interval 2, that means the counter value incremented by 2. If there is step, we can add the interval 2 means we can write step 2. That means the counter value incremented by 2. Here even numbers means each number which is added by 2 and got another number. So that 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, then 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Each number will be added by 2 to get another number. Right? So we call CLS and then first 4. Here we can use a variable letter X equal to. So the first initial number we want to print is 4. That means why we use the 4? Because we have to get the number from 4 to 20. So the initial value is X equal to 4. Then 2. Final value or end value is 20. So here 20. Once again, first clear screen, then 4. We want to print the even numbers from 4 to 20. So 4, the initial value we have to print is 4. X equal to 4. Then 2, end value is 20. So X equal to 4 to 20. Then, even numbers means 2 times or 2 added, then we will get next number. So here is an interval 2. So that we can write step 2. Step 2. And then next, what is the variable? Counter variable X. Next X. Then here print X. Then next for looping. Looping means repeating the statements at a particular time, repeating the instructions. So x equal to 4. The initial value is 4 and the final or end value is 20. So the syntax, according to the syntax, variable is equal to start value. Start value here is equal to 4. So x equal to 4 to the end value 20. 4 to 20. Then step 2 means the interval between each number is 2. So that first print the value 4. This is the output. First you print value 4. Then next is x. First print x. Print x means the value of x equal to 4. Value of x equal to 4. Then the program controls flow the second statement, that is print x, that means 4. Then next x, then the next statement, next x. Next x means x 2. 2 means x is added by 2. So 4 plus 2. Next 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So 6. Then now the value of x is 6. Then again after initializing, after changing the value, print the x. So x printed here and then increment the x equal to x plus 2. So value of x incremented by 2. Now the current value of x equal to 6. So it is incremented by 2. That means 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Now x equal to 8. Then print x means print 8. So 8. Then next x. That means the current value which is incremented by 2. That means 8 is incremented by 2. 8 plus 2 equal 10. 10. That is print x, that means print 10. Then next x. Next x means the current value, that is x equal to 8. 10, which is incremented by 2. So 10 plus 2 equal to 12. Yes. Then now x is equal to 12 and print x means print 12. So print 12. Then next x means x is incremented by 2. So 12 is incremented by 2 is equal to 14. Yes. So now x is equal to 14. So print x means print 14. Yes. Then next x means the current value x is incremented by 2. Now the current value is 14. So which is incremented by 2 means 14 plus 2. That is equal to 16. So now the value of x equal to 16. So that print x. That means print 16. Then x is incremented by 2. The current value of x is 16 and it is incremented by 2 means 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. So now the value of x equal to 18. So print x means print 18. Print 18. Then next x means the current value is incremented by 2. So now the current value is 18, which is incremented 2 means 18 plus 2 equal to 20. Then now the value of x equal to 20. So print x means print 20. So 20. Then next x means 20 incremented by 2. 20 incremented by 2 means 20 plus 2. 20 plus 2 is equal to 22. 22. So here the condition fails. Why? Because the starting 4 and ending 20. Now the current value is 22. So that means the condition is false. So that the program exits from the loop and goes to end. Now the output is 1, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Right? Okay. Then next is reversing for next loop. Reversing for next loop. That means we can reverse the numbers, like how to reverse the counting numbers: 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right? So here the question: to print even numbers between 4 and 20 in reverse order. So let's do it. To print even numbers from 4 to 20 in reverse order. To print the even numbers 4 to 20 in reverse order. There is a small difference. So what would be the output? We know in reverse order, first to 20, then it is decremented by 280, then 16, then 14, then 12, then 10, then 8, then 6, then 4. This is the reverse order from 20 to 4. Right? Okay. So let's see what would be the code. First CLS, that means clear screen. Then next here we learn about what? For next loop. So that for, then starting variable, let's see, x equal to, what is the initial variable here? So initial value 20. Why? Because we want to get the output in reverse order. So x equal to 20. The first number should be 20. So x equal to 20. 20 to where? 20 to 4. So 20 to 4. Then one more thing. And in our previous question, we should write that in this step 2. So instead of step 2, we can write here step minus 2. Step minus 2. Yes, step minus 2. So for x equal to 20, that is the initial value, to the end value 4, and the interval between them is minus 2. So the first output, print x, then next x, then end program. Okay. So what would be the output? First, for x equal to 20. X equal to 20 means it is the initial value. And now the value of x equal to 20. So the second step, print x. So now printing the value x. Printing the value x means now the x equal to 20. So print 20. Okay. Then next statement x, next x. Next x means here the interval is decremented by 2. So that x equal to 20, which is decremented by 2 means 20 minus 2. Then 20 minus 2 equal to 18. So print x means print 18. Then here 20 minus x equal to 20. 20 minus 2 is equal to 18. Yes. Now the current x value is 18. Okay. Then next print x. Print x means the current value of x equal to 18. So print x means print 18. Yes, we printed the number 18. And then next x means the current value which is decremented by minus 2. So what would be the result? 18 minus 2 is equal to 16. So then now x value is 16. X equal to 20 replaces with 16. Then print x means print 16. So print 16. Then next x means here x which is decremented by minus 2. So that 16 which is decremented by minus 2 is equal to 14. Yes? Yes. So for x equal to what? 14. Then because the current value of x equal to 14. X equal to that the 16 value is replaced by 14. Then print x means print 14. Yes. Then next x, that means the current value is 14 which is decremented by minus 2. So what would be the result? 12. 12. So now 16 or 14 is replaced by 12 and printing x means printing 14. Sorry, printing 12. So the value printed is 12. Then after that next x. So that means now the current value of x equal to 12 and which is decremented by 2 is equal to 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. Yes, okay. So now the value of x equal to 10. Then print x. Print x means print 10. So 10. Next x means 10 which is decremented by 2, that is 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. So now the value of x equal to 8 and then print x means print 8. 8. Then next x means x is decremented by 2. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Now the value of x equal to 6 and print x means print 6. Then next x means x which is decremented by 2. So now the current value is x is 6 and 6 is decremented by 2 means 4. So now x equal to 4. So then print x means print 4. Then next x means 4 which is decremented by 2. That means 4 minus 2 is equal to, sorry. So that is the final one. We count the last number we want to get is 4. So here for x equal to 20 to 4. So after meeting the end value, then it exits from the loop and end the program. So the final result is 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6 and 4. Right. Then next, exiting from for next loop. That means the exit for statement is used to exit from the for next loop. What is exit for loop? So now we learn next or for next loop. The next is exit for next loop. Exit for next loop. Exit for next loop means it is the statement used to exit from the loop. It is the statement which is used to exit from the for next loop. The program control will shift it to the statement after the structure. So here is a program to accept 10 numbers and calculate their sum. A program to accept 10 numbers and find the addition or sum of 10 numbers. Then the program should stop when the number is entered 555. So we want to exit from the loop when the condition, that is the sum is 555. So the program or the loop continues until it reaches 555, right? Okay. So here, let's see, first CLS, look at the page number 66, and there is a counter variable for CT. There is a counter variable. Counter variable means we want to add only 10 numbers, so that we can use a counter variable CT that is equal to 1 to 10. Then we have to enter numbers. So for that, enter number, for the input statement we use the keyword, that is input, then enter a number, that is n. The next, if n is equal to n means we want to calculate the sum. Then calculate the sum, and if the sum is 555, then we can reach the end condition, exit from the loop. So here, okay, CLS, then for a counter value C, that is the variable C equal to 1 to 10. C equal to 1 to 10, because we have to enter 10 numbers. Then 10 numbers, okay. Then next step, entering an input statement. So input, enter the first value. So input, enter the number. Enter number. Yes. So it is represented, or there is a variable n. Then next step, n equal to n plus next, or n equal to 4. There is a variable sum. Sm equal to Sm plus n. Sm is equal to Sm plus n. That means a variable Sm, and Sm equal to Sm plus n means if we enter a value, and before that one more thing, we can assign Sm is equal to 0. Okay, correct. That is Sm is equal to Sm plus n. That means first number is added to Sm and which is stored in Sm. Then next, if Sm greater than or less than equal to 555, then greater than. Yes, greater than or equal to 555, then exit 4. One more thing. Here, print sum. Print sum, then exit 4. Then end if end. Yes. So here counter variable is equal to 1 to 10. So input enter number n. So first number, let's see 10 or 100. Then sum is equal to sum plus n means sum is equal to 100. Then if sum greater than or equal to 555, no, it is not greater. Then condition false. Then again the counter value which is incremented by 1, so that adding another number, that is 200. So the value of sum is equal to sum plus n. Now the value of sum is equal to 100. So 100 plus 200 is equal to 300. Then again check sum greater than or equal to 155. Then if the condition is false, go to increment by the c by 1. So the value of c is equal to 3. Then enter another number, that means 300. So now the last value is 300. 300 plus 300 is equal to 600. Then now the sum value is 600. Then check the condition. If sum greater than or equal to 555, then that means now the sum value is 600. So the condition false. Sorry, if this is the condition, this is the true condition. So that print sum. Now the final value of sum is equal to 600, and then exit from the loop. Then it exit from the loop. So end the program. So once again, so this is the counter value. Counter value means it initializes from 1 to ending 10. Then first enter an input value. So now we entered a number 100. Then adding the 100 value. So sum is equal to already 100. Then check the condition. Sum greater than or equal to 555. That means the value sum is equal to 100. Checking 100 greater than or equal to 555. So it is not correct. So that we have to increment the value of counter by 1. So the counter value is equal to 2. Again we have to input another value, that is 200. Now value of sum is 100 plus 200 is equal to 300. Yes. So again check the condition. 200 greater than or equal to 555. So the condition is false. Then again repeat the counter by 1. So the counter value is 3. Then again we have to input another value, that is 300. So now the sum is 300 plus 300 is equal to 600. So check the condition. Sum greater than or equal to 555. The value of sum is equal to 600. 600 greater than or equal to 555. So the condition is correct. So that we have to print sum. Now printing sum value 600 and exit 4. Then exit from the loop. So this is the exit for next loop. That means it is used to exit from the for next loop. So once again, what are the things we have learned today? At first, we did an exercise for next loop in an ascending order and a reverse order. And then next one is exit for next loop. And also we did some problems based on that. So let's wind up this class. We will continue later. Thank you.